안녕하세요. 오픈소스 전문 프로젝트 팀 웨이 발표 시작하겠습니다.
Hi, we are Team Way. Let's start 2022 first term open source German project final presentation. Now let me introduce our team members to you. First is me, Minsu, as a team leader of Way. I made an overall design of our application and also made the main page in Way, and has some documentation works for final presentation, for example, storyboard.
Second is me, Gwangmo. I made all related functions of KakaoMap API and users' location in real time, and also made an algorithm about recommend a fair place in your group members. Lastly, I made a function of real-time users' location to decide users arrive.
And then it's me, Jongwon. I made all related function with handling Firebase database and overall structure of Way, and also made a HTTP protocol message to send an alarm that can make sound and vibrate to other group members' phone.
Lastly, it's me, Byungju. I made a function related with council, such as making and managing inactive page with Kotlin, and also made PPTs for final presentation and take a final video.
Now I will show our indexes of my presentation. I will tell you why we choose and how a Way application work. Before we show our application, there are anyone who has no experience in group project? Well, I don't think so. As our grade goes up, all you guys essentially do group project whether you like or not, such as this project and some of the contest or others. So I want to ask you guys of having difficulties in proceeding group project. Have you ever waited for a late teammate? Have you ever had a hard time choosing a meeting place? Or have you ever had a stress in a group project? If you have, Way will be the great answer for you, cause those problems are the reason why we make this application, to provide a better group project environment. Now, those open APIs are the things that we use to make Way. I think all you guys are use something similar to us. However, we choose Kakao Maps API to show a map instead of Google Maps API. And in our project, we use GitHub a lot. And also, we use a little bit of Kotlin in our project, cause we felt curious of how good Kotlin works. And also, Kotlin has a powerful function of made an interactive page, so we use it. But lots of our project built with Java that we learn in this term German project. Now, in this chapter, we will explain how work of our application and interface detail. One of differentiate features for our other application on the market is the way of making group. With members is much simpler. Our application minimizes your effort in creating meetings. Second is the alarm function. This function is send the noisy alarm who late council. Last is the auto recommend the location which fair to all your group members. And then grouping members, interactive UI, recommend fair location, and sending alarm to members are our key point of Way. Well, I will show our main page. This page shows users group which shall belong in it. If you make your group, or other members invite you as a member of his group, the page is interactively with database, and show changing screen. I use a grid layout in this page to replace dynamic changing groups. In this page, we can move to page for making group and editing profile. After the realization video, we will show how page work interactively.
Now this page is a group page, which show councils in your group. In this page, you can make council, and also you can enter exist council. This page is made by Kotlin, so we can show dynamic sliding to you. And in this page, you can delete your group with button on the right top.
Now I will introduce making council page. In this page, you can choose a date and time when your council to be carried out. And also, Way recommends you the best choice of location, which is fair to everyone. This function made with center of gravity algorithm with using group members address.
Well, this page is a council page, which has already existed. You can see your group members' location in real time, and if you arrive destination in time, you can use punch button to send an alarm. In this alarm, you can make a noisy sound and annoying vibrate during 16 seconds to who rate council.
In this chapter, now I will show our application demonstration video to you.
When you enter the Way, first you have to sign up our application. In sign up page, you have to enter nickname, email, and password, and also address. When you finish sign up, we have find password button. If you want to find password, you just enter the email when you sign up. And you can show our email in your mail site. So you can have new password to reset your password. Now enter your email and password. Then you can log in our Way. First, our main page has two buttons. If you want to make group, just push this. And in make group page, you can enter the group name. And you can choose your teammate as enter the nickname. And if you finish, you just press the complete button to make your own group. Now you have your project team. So if you want to change your name, you just press edit profile button. And in edit profile, you can change your name and also address. Well, you enter the project team. You have capacity to make your own council. If you want to make a council, just press this plus button. And first you have to choose your date. We're finished to set your console time. Our page recommends your location automatically, just fair to all members. And if you want to make a punishment, you can choose a punishment detail and power. If you're done, you have just complete button. Then you have on your console. And you have to cancel twice, and third, you also make console mode. When you make your second console, in this you will change the location that we selected, like this. And also you change your punishment size like that. When your console begin forward, you have to move to destination. In this map, the user, which beside you, has belonging with red pin, and other members belonging with blue pin. When you enter the destination which you located, the button turns the blue, and if you press this button, then you have the punish button. If your member already isn't here now, you can press the red button to punish them. If you use our foldable smartphone like this, we can provide you an interactive screen. If you make group, new one, the group will beside here. And if you choose to delete this group, you can delete this group now. And if you have this group only, if you fold this handphone, you can use a interactive UI design to provide this page.
At the end of a project, we will tell you our feelings and what will run in this term project. For me, while working on this project, as I developed the application through Android Studio with Java, I became interested in developing the app. If I have a chance more, I would like to develop it through another framework like Flutter or React Native.
It was my first time making an application using an Android Studio, and it was an amazing experience that I could see the functions and designs I made right away through the emulator.
It was so fun to be able to make an application that excited only by thinking in me. And also this a great chance to use a Firebase which I was interested in before.
This project is my first Android project. Android Studio, the first experience of Kotlin. It was a really useful lecture, and I could learn about the pros and cons of Android Studio in detail. We also understood why the number of people using Kotlin increased. If I have chance more, I hope to get a chance to make a job with Kotlin.
So for us, this German project is very useful to make us skillful with Java. In this time, we will make a great skill to be a great developer in future. Thank you for watching and concentrating our presentation way. If you have questions, please tell me. Anything else? Thank you.